warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Nolabijis, let me introduce myself. My name is Lintang Dimazi Ismail Rashia. I'm from Senior High School 1 Kesan. Today, I'm gonna tell you the story called The Legend of the Gun Eye. Okay, let's go back to time. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom where his people lived peacefully and never found difficulty to fulfill their daily needs. Because the king, Charipati, covered his people with care and wisdom. Everything they needed were always given by the king for their prosperity and welfare. His people liked him so much. The king had two daughters. The older one was Devpatni and the younger one was Devika. They had similar characters. They are wise, hospitable, and helpful. But Devpatni was an unfortunate girl because she was sick. The disease was hard to be healed. Her parents did everything, but failed. The disease was given by Magpie, an ugly, evil, powerful, unbeatable witch. Devpatni will be healthy again if the king gave Devi unto the witch. She wanted her because Devi was protected by the power of God. There was a saying, the one that could kill the witch is Devi. The one that could kill the witch is Devi. The witch always heard, Devi will kill you. Devi will kill you. Did it happen? One night, the witch came to the palace and appeared in front of King Charipati's bedroom window. She said, Charipati, I want to marry you. The next one, you must give your last child to me. Else, I will kill Devpatni and your people. The king was so cruel and said, please heal my daughter and get away from my young daughter. Take my kingdom if you want. I needed your kingdom, foolish king. I just want your last daughter. And I become the king of the darkness. The witch disappeared in the dark of night. The king could not sleep, thinking of how he could handle this matter. He was in dilemma. He loved but his daughter. He could not give a daughter or free another daughter. However, Devi was a great princess. When his brother was in dilemma, she was ready to sacrifice herself for her sister and the country. They passed so fast. When the night came, the king and his people were very frightened. It was the full moon, and the king had to get Devi out of the witch. The witch came. People tried to harm the witch, but they are too weak to fight. Give me your daughter, foolish king. If you don't give her to me, I burn this region. She was saved by the power of God. Then she went back to the palace and lived happily together with her family in the kingdom. The end. From the happening, this region was called Regal Island. Regal is Japanese people garden and other ways for grand. So, the garden which is located in Basra city means for grand garden. Well, the moral value of this story is don't be afraid to do the kindness in your life. Even it's hard to. Yes, the God will help us. That's all for me. I hope you can enjoy it and take the moral value of this story. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi